Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We are rocking NEFFEX and DriVn here. They do together Say My Name. Cool song, and I know there are many fans out there, NEFFEX especially. You'll love him, many out there. So let's go and check this song out together. We have Kepa on first, absolute best scenario for us. With that 4 chords that rolls in the same way, we're going to look into the melody, strumming, all that good stuff. Now, let's start with the chords. We're going to start with B minor, which is a bar chord. So place index finger on the 2nd fret. You push down all strings except for the last E string in the bass. You don't need that one. Then you need to add 4th on D, 4th G, and 3rd B. Next is D. That goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have the G major 7 sus2, a long name for a simple chord. What you're going to play here is 3rd fret E, open A or mute it, then open D, open G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And finally we have the E minor. That goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. So we have this melody going on. We're going to pick notes from the actual chords. I'm going to give you the certain notes for this, but have in mind, when I do it, I don't play that actual just note. I play notes around that melody as well, but I make sure I highlight the notes that are important, and that's notes I'm going to show you right now. So let's start with B minor. You're going to play bass note here. That's 2nd fret A. And then 2 times on the 3rd fret B string. But again, maybe you notice here, I'm playing not just the 3rd B string only. I play maybe the G string above it to give more depth to it. And that is the reason for me having the full chord. Otherwise, I could just hold this. But it's a little bit flat in my opinion, so if you can start with this first, but if you can, hold the full chords and play notes around it. And to them match perfectly with the melody, then you have to hold pretty much the full chord, because they are like a family together, all these notes around it. So anyway, that's the reason for it. Again, I'm going to give you a certain notes. So 2nd fret A is how you start, then 2 times on the 3rd B, then comes a clap, then 2nd fret B string 3 times, and then 2 times on the 5th fret B string. And this 5th fret B string is optional because the same note is found on the open high E. But since I'm holding the full chord and not just the specific notes, it's more convenient to just reach out with a little pinky to the 5th fret B string like this, alright? So that is how I perform it. So anyway, 3 times on the 2nd fret B, and then 2 times on this 5th fret B string. Then comes a clap, and then 2 times on the 2nd fret high E. And that comes from the actual bar. Okay, so that is the B minor part, slowly like this. Next comes the D. It goes like this. Okay, so you're going to play open D string, then 2 times on the 3rd fret B, then comes the clap, then 3 times on this 2nd fret B string, and 2 times on the 2nd fret high E, and then comes the clap, and 2 times on the open E string. That's the D part. Then comes the G. It goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna play 3rd fret E string in the bass, then 3rd fret B string 2 times, then comes the clap, then 3 times on the 2nd fret B string, and then 2 times on the open high E, then comes the clap, and 2 times on the 2nd fret high E, and that's the G. And finally we have the E minor. It goes like this. that is to play open high E string in the bass, and then open, yeah, bass. Sorry, there you have it. That's the open bass string, and then 2 times on the 3rd fret B. Then comes the clap. Then 3 times on the 2nd fret B string, and then 2 times on the 2nd fret E string. Clap and open E string 2 times. And that's it. So, slowly, I'm going to play it for you. It goes like this. Just freak out a little bit there, and then anyway, I think you got it. That's the melody. Now let's look into the strumming, and it's a pretty long one. I'm gonna divide it into 2 different parts, even if you don't have to, but it's just easier for educational purposes. So grab the first chord, B minor. We're gonna start with, or actually I can demonstrate one full round for you. It goes like this. Okay. So you're going to start with down, down, up, clap, down, up. Down, down, up, clap, down, up. So down, down, up, clap, down, up. And then second part is up, down, clap, down, up. If you combine these 2 parts, it will be down, down, up, clap, down, up, down, up, clap, down, up. Okay, you're going to play one of these per chord, same order of chords, so B minor 1, D1, the G1, and E minor 1, like this. And I just demonstrated how you can pick 1 or 2 notes from that melody. You know now the melody, the strumming, and you can combine these 2 beautiful things into one big thing going on there. And that is how you handle NEFFEX and DriVn's Say My Name. So I hope you enjoyed it, guys. And if it was helpful, let me know that. Give me a like, subscribe to this channel, leave me a comment if you wish, and be back for next time. See you soon, guys. Play tuned.